Hi students, good morning. I am your English teacher. Today, Wednesday class. This is from Vittal Matriculation. Okay, students. First of all, you are all sent in your attendance status. It's very must. Okay, it's very important because you are regularly you are attend the class or not. You are know about the detail. So first of all, you are put in your attendance after you will come and see the class. It's not a problem. Okay, first of all, it's very must. Okay, first of all, you go to you are all put in your attendance after to come and watch this class. Okay, okay, students, all of you, how are you? I'm also fine. Okay, okay, students, first of all, you are all eat or not. You cannot eat means first of all, you are all go to eat in your food. After you come and see the video or attend the class. Okay, yeah, good. Now the school are very soon open our school. Okay, now COVID issue also here. So you are all pray God. Okay, quickly the COVID issue all go to there mean definitely our your schools also open, our schools also open easily. You come and go to school. Okay, 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 students. Now sometimes we are go to outside mean definitely we are wearing in your mask and you are all use in your sanitizers. It's very must. Okay, uh, because the COVID issue also have in your hand mean definitely the sanitizer also easily cleaned. Yeah, good. Okay, students, now we are see here fourth standard English. Now we are see fourth standard English. Okay, okay. Yes, friends, last class we are discuss about the robot expo. Okay, so now today we all see what the book bag exercise. Now we all see the book bag exercise. Okay, okay, good. First of all, we all discuss about the C option A, choose the correct answer. Okay, first of all, you have C, choose the correct answer. Okay, okay, students, see here the first one. uh, 5 questions also here now. So see, just I read it, you also just think that answers. Okay, right. See here the first one. Anita shares her experience about dash. Which is the answer? The four answer also here. Option A, book fair. Okay. Second one is vacation. Third one is robot expo. Fourth, I mean D, dance program. Okay, just you are thinking and complete the answers after we have seen the answers. Okay, right. Second one, the robot that sat on her shoulder was a dash. The robot that sat on her shoulder was a dash. This is the answer. Option A and option B butterfly, option C puppy, option D dragonfly. Okay, the third one, Anita's friend wanted a dash robot in their house. Okay, uh, the options: option A butterfly, option B ant, option C cook, option D fish. Okay, right. Option fourth one, brain of a robot is the dash. Option A controller, option B mechanical part, option C sensor, option D camera. Okay, right, good. The fifth one, the robot advised her to dash. Okay, first one, option A keep silence, option B use dustbin, C don't spit, option D wash hands. Okay, now we all see the answers. See here, first one, Anita asked her experience about dash. Which is the answer? See here, the C C also answer of it. So now we ticked answer C. Robot Expo. Okay. The answer is Robot Expo. Yeah, good. Okay. Right. The second one. The robot that sat on her shoulder was a dash. What's the answer of here? Which is her shoulder side? Her means Anita. Anita's shoulder side. Which robot sitting? See here. Already we all saw that, butterfly. Yeah, good. So the answer is what? Butterfly. Good. Okay. Right. Next we are see Anita's friends wanted a dash robot in their house. Okay. The answer is what? Option C also here. No. So cook. Right. It's also answer. Fourth one also here. Brain of a robot is the dash. Brain of a robot is the dash. Which is the answer of here? Yes, the answer is option A, controller. Good. Okay. Clear? Super. Right. Fifth one also here. Okay. See, fifth one. A robot advised her to dash. What are the advice to robot? See here, option B. Use dustbin. Because they are throw the dust the gender places, that time the robot also telling use dustbin. Okay, good. Okay, students, are you clear? Okay, now we have see answer the following questions. See here the first one. Where did the Anita go? What are the questions? The first one, where did Anita go? Okay, just your thinking answer. Okay. Second one, what did Anita eat in the expo? Just your after we have filled the answers, just your thinking. Okay. Third one, what are the three parts of your robots? Just your thinking after I tell you. Okay. See here. Uh, what is use of mechanical parts? It's one of the answer. You are telling after I tell you, just you are thinking. Fifth one, what robot will you make? Why? These are all the questions also here. Okay. Okay, now we are see the answers. Where did Anita go? Okay, now we fill the answer. So Anita also here. So now we take the Anita. Clear? Okay, good, super. This is expo. Okay, expo. Okay, the first question I completed. Where did the Anita go? Anita went. See, go past tense went. Okay, so now we right went. Go past tense went. Okay, so now right went. Clear? So where did Anita go? Anita went to go the robot expo. Right. Now right second answer. Here, what did Anita eat in the expo? What did Anita eat in the expo? Never get the answer? Yes. it is the answer. Okay, so okay, O. Anita ate an omelette in the expo. What did Anita eat in the expo? Yes, Anita ate an omelette in the expo. It's one of the answer of these questions. Now we are see third one. See here. Okay. What's the question also here? What are the three parts of a robot? Okay, now read it perfectly. Okay, see here. What are the three parts of a robot? The first one is controller, mechanical parts, sensors. Okay, clear? Okay, good. Now you see the fourth one. What is the use of mechanical parts? They ask the question, you know. Okay, the first one, what? Right here. Just write like mechanical. Okay, see what is the use of mechanical parts. Mechanical parts are those which help the robot move. Okay, sometimes the robots one place to another place moving, definitely the mechanical parts, the robots is needed. So I write here mechanical parts are those which help to robot move. Okay, okay, now we are see fifth question here. What robot will you make? Why? What robot will you make? Why? Okay, fifth one also here. Okay, you know, right? See here. Just I fill the words. See properly. Listen. the robot. Okay, the robot. Okay, sure, good. Okay, students, I have completed the questions. Okay, what robot will you make? Why? Okay, first one, I will make a kid robot because I want to play with the robots. Okay, clear? Okay, students, once again fully read the answer the following questions. Okay, the first one, see here, where did the where did Anita go? Anita went to the robot expo. Okay, second one, what did Anita eat in the expo? Anita ate an omelette in the expo. Okay, third one, what are the three parts of a robot? Controller, mechanical parts, sensors. Okay, it's not three parts of it. Okay, good. Fourth one, what is the use of mechanical parts? Mechanical parts are those which help the robot move. What robot will you make? Why? I will make a kids robots because I want to play with the robots. Okay, clear? Okay, students, good. Are you clear? Okay, see here, is it properly? Okay, students, just your seat. What is that headline? Read the passage 3 times on your own and color a keys each time to read. Okay, to read. Okay, read the passage 3 times. I mean 3 times we are reading on your own and color a keys each times you read. Okay, good. See, first of all, just I read it. Okay, after we are making to the colors, right? See here, first of all, on Monday the robot has to help its master get ready. On Monday, that time Monday. Okay, Monday, this is the Wednesday, this is Monday. On Monday the robot has to help its master. Okay, on Monday the robot has to help its master get ready. See, it wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. See, it wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. Okay, it prepare breakfast. It means who's the make a breakfast? Yeah, that robot also make a breakfast. It prepares breakfast, then it irons his dress. Okay, then it iron his dress means that people already there, no? So uh, then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master, that master. Okay, once again, on Monday the robot has to help its master to get ready. It wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepares breakfast, then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car key for a long time. Searching for a car key because the master also missing car keys. So the robot also, sorry, searching for a car keys a long time. The master also making to the car key. I mean, searching. Okay. So master has been searching for a car key for a long time, because long time the master also searching to the key. Key mean like that, it's another key, He finds it in the lunch box. He finds because the keys also have a lunch box side, because the robot also put it. So the robot replied, I keep the key safely. Okay. So first of all, we are read it. Okay. Just listen. On Monday, the robot has to help its master get it ready. I wake up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepares breakfast, then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car key for a long time. Finally, he finds it in the lunchbox. The robot replies, I kept the key safely. So, one time I read it, okay? Okay. So, now make the color. Okay, make the color. Because one time I read it, okay? So, I make the color. Second time, on Monday, the robot has to help its master get ready. It wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepared breakfast. Then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car key for a long time. Finally, he finds it in the lunchbox. The robot replied, I kept the key safely. And now I completed second time. So I color second key. I call it second key, okay? Just your any color you given it. Right. Third one also here, third key also here, no. So just I make it third one. On Monday, the robot has to help its master get ready. It wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepares breakfast. Then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car key for a long time. Finally, he finds in the lunchbox. The robot replies, I kept the key safely. So finally, I committed 3 times. Okay. So just now I making to the what? Now I making. Okay. Okay. Clear? Okay. Okay, students. Next, you see, arrange the pictures by using numbers. Arrange the pictures by using numbers. Okay. See, first one what? Answer the following. Sorry. First of all, you see, arrange the pictures by using numbers. Arrange the pictures by using numbers. Okay. See here. First one, the iron box also. What is it? Iron box also here. What is it? See this picture, and robot also here. It's not a real chef, it is one of the robot chef. Okay, right. See here. What is it? A cup of tea also here, okay, right. What is it? It is one of the tiffin box, I think. Tiffin box, right. Cook, okay. This also one of the food tea, no. Okay, they are making to the food. First of all, we have a match, right. See, iron box also here, cup also here, which is the one mean. Yes, it's also number one. I make it number one. right. Next we are see what? Second we are see. Okay, I am also here, no? So it's one of the four. Number four. See the picture. On Monday, the robot has helped its master get ready. It wakes up its master and offers cup of tea. So already completed one. Okay. It prepare breakfast. Okay. It's prepare breakfast. Breakfast means they are making the cooking. Okay. Breakfast. So what I do? Yes. So it's one of the here. It's prepared breakfast. So it's one of the second one. Right. Second. Okay. Right. Then it's irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. It's one of the lunch. So it's one of the third one. I put the third one. Clear? It's one of the third one. Nice. Super. Good. uh, Next you have see what. Okay, good, right. Answer the following also here. The first one is okay, wait. What day is it? What day is it mean what are the happening going on there, so they are mentions what day is it. Okay, what day is it? Yes. What day mean? See here, first one Monday, on Monday. So now right, it's Monday. So there when I ask the question, what day is it? Okay, so now right, it's Monday. It's Monday. Okay, good. It's Monday. Now right here. Clear? Good. Second, we are see where is the key. Who said where is the key? Yeah, that master also asked the question where is the key. Yeah, good, super nice. See here, where is the key? Just you write the answer here. It's lunch box. So now I write here lunch box. Okay. Alright, it's lunch box. Okay. Now write here lunch box. Okay. Now write lunch box. Clear? Good. Okay. Once again, we are recapitulate the words. What are happening today? We all saw that. Yes. See. First of all, we are saw the choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Right. What is that? First one. Anita shares her experience about dash. Option C also answer. No. Robot Expo. So Anita shares her experience about Robot Expo. Okay. Good. Second one. The robot that sat on her shoulder was a dash. Answer is butterfly. The robot that sat on her shoulder was a butterfly. Anita's friends wanted a dash robot in house. Cook. Okay, already I tell you now. Cook. Don't forget cook. Okay. Right. Fourth one. Brain of a robot is the dash. That is option A, controller. Okay, that is option A, controller. Nice. Next you see the fifth one. Right, already completed cook, butterfly. Okay, nice. Fifth one, a robot advised her to dash. A robot advised her to dash. Use dustbin because they are using throw the papers outside, So the robot also said use dustbin. Okay, yeah, good. Next we are saw answer the following questions. Right. The first one is, where did Anita go? Where did Anita go? Anita went to the robot expo. Already tell you, no. Go past tense went. Okay. Go past tense went. Clear? Okay. Anita went. Anita went to the robot expo. Okay. Nice. Next, second one. What did Anita eat in the expo? What did Anita eat in the expo? Right. Anita ate an omelette in the expo. Anita ate an omelette in the expo. Okay. Right. You all see the third one. What are the three parts of a robot? Yes, already we have saw it. No. What is that? Controller, mechanical parts, sensor. Already I saw that. Okay, the last class already I saw that, see here, controller, mechanical parts, sensor. So I write it. Okay, good. Where is topic? Yes, now we stop here. Okay, now we continue. Fourth one also here. Yes. What is the use of mechanical parts? Mechanical parts are those which help the robot move. Mechanical parts are those which help the robot move. Okay, clear? Right, good. Listen properly because once again I recapitulate these words. Okay, right. Fifth one also here, balance also here. Okay, see here. What robot will you make? What robot will you make? Why? They are asked the questions. Already we have solved the answer, Right. I will make a kids robot because I want to play with the robots. Kids robots mean that is one of the child robots. Okay. So they are mentioned, I will make a kids robot because I want to play with the robots. Okay, clear? Right. Next we are what we saw that. Next we are saw the read the passage 3 times on your own and color a key each times you read. Okay, once again read the passage 3 times. 3 times we are read it. Okay, on your own and color a key each times you read. Already I tell you, no. Already I make the colors because any color you given. Okay, it's not a problem. He will give this key side. Okay, it's not a problem. Once again I read it. On Monday, the robot has to help its master get ready. Okay, it wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepares breakfast, then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car key, okay, the car key for a long time. Finally, he finds it in the lunch box. The robot replies, I kept the key safely. Okay. The robot replies, I kept the keys safely. Okay. The 3 keys also there. You read just 3 times. Okay. Once again I read. So first time I read, So second time. On Monday, the robot has to help its master get ready. It wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepared breakfast. Then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. Then master has been searching for the car keys for a long time. Finally, he finds it in the lunch box. The robot replies, I kept the key safely. Okay, 2 times I completed. Now, third time. On Monday, the robot has to help its master get ready. It wakes up its master and offers a cup of tea. It prepares breakfast. Then it irons his dress and packs lunch for the master. The master has been searching for the car keys for a long time. Finally, he finds it in the lunch box. The robot replies, I kept the keys safely. Third time already I completed, good. Next, what is happening? We are saw that, yes, last time we are see arrange the pictures by using numbers. Already we are using to this para and given to the number it. Okay, the first one is, yes, see here there is, yeah, cup of tea. So first one make it cup of tea. uh, Second, the robot also making to the cooking. So now I make it given to the second one. And now the third one also here, yes, the robot also making to the lunch box. So yes, lunch box also here, so make it number third. Finally we are see the because the robot also making to the iron. So now I give the third one, I mean fourth one, the robot also here. So the robot also iron the master dress, okay, I mean cloths, dress, same word, okay, dress mean cloths. So now I given to the fourth one. Okay, okay, good. See here, finally what are happening, we all saw that answer the following. Okay, one, what day is it? Okay, I given to the answers. What day is it mean that's are all the happening going on Monday, so it's Monday. See here, Monday, so now I give Monday. Clear? Okay. Second one, where is the key? Yes, the robot also said its master. The answer is it's lunch bag, lunch box. Okay, it's lunch box. Okay. Oh, now we give lunch. Here give lunch bag. It's not a problem. Lunch bag or lunch box. Anyone you give. And now we give lunch box because they are mentioned lunch box. So now we give it to the lunch box. Okay, right. Once again, what day is it? It's Monday. Where is the key? It's lunch box. Okay, not a bag. Right, good. Okay, students, all of it clear? Okay, students, today class interesting or not? I think you are enjoying in our class. I cannot understand you are enjoy or not. I cannot understand because the online class are going on here. So your school side your streaming definitely we are find out. So now COVID TC also going here. So that is one of problem of one. Okay. Okay, students, today what is happening? You see that choose the correct answer. Answer the following questions. Read the passage 3 times on your own colors key each time you read. Arrange the pictures by using numbers. Answer the following questions. These are all the happenings today we all saw that. Okay. Okay, students, next class we all see some happens. Okay, today class over. You are all stay safe, stay home. I meet next class. Bye bye. You are all stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. Okay, bye.